Hello everyone, I make an order. This is my new soldering iron. Today just arrived, last 1 hour. So yeah, I got it, so I'm gonna open it. I'm making unboxing of soldering iron. Alright. I like to open parcels. Alright, let's see. Ta-da! And that's it. This is the soldering iron. Soldering iron. Soldering gun PRO-PL100. Accessories: 2 PC soldering tip, 10-gram soldering reels, and 10-gram soldering fluids. Alright, let's open it. It's good, it's good. It's heavy. It's heavy. Alright, first time for you. Unboxing of soldering gun. Peace.